Today, we're going to delve deeper into creating and customizing Symbaloo Tiles. These small but powerful tools are the key to making your Symbaloo Webmix both functional and visually appealing. First, let's work on creating a new tile. To start, simply click on any empty cell in your Webmix. You can then enter your URL directly or use the search function to find your tile. Once you've made a selection, your new tile will appear on the Webmix. That's the easy part. Next, let's look into customizing your tile. Personalizing your tiles is what makes your Webmix uniquely yours. To begin customizing, you can right-click on any tile and then click the Edit option. Doing this will open a tile editor with a lot of fun options. As you may guess, making a selection with the color boxes here will allow you to change the background color of your tile. Aside from color changes, another cool new way to differentiate your tile is by changing the size. To take advantage of this feature, we first need to make sure that our tile is in a Webmix position with room to grow. If it's not, simply click and drag it to an area with some empty space. We can always move it back. Once you are ready to make your edit, make sure the size setting is selected and use these plus and minus buttons to adjust the tile size to your liking. This feature is especially useful for highlighting more frequently used resources. Great, let's move on. One additional update you may want to consider is changing your tile icon. This is essentially just changing the logo that is shown on the tile. If you are using a popular website or resource, different icon versions may already be available for you to select here. If those options don't suit your needs, you may also choose a pre-made icon from Symbaloo's extensive gallery, or upload your own image file. For now, let's use one of the recommended icons. Lastly, let's discuss the different types of tiles you can use to build your Webmixes. Surely, you're already familiar with the most common tile, which is a link to a website that opens in a new browser tab. However, did you know that a tile could also be used to embed resources like Google Docs, YouTube videos, and more? These types of embedded resources can either be shown right inside the Webmix or opened in a full-screen viewer within Symbaloo. You can find options for these types of embedded tiles in the Details tab of your tile editor. That's not it, though. In addition to embedded tiles, you may also wish to add news feeds, radio tiles, or Symbaloo widgets. All of these options can be found using this drop-down menu in the tile search. Let's quickly review each option. For news junkies, the perfect homepage wouldn't be complete without real-time news feeds from your favorite outlets. Add your own by creating tiles with your favorite RSS feeds. Or simply search for your favorites with keywords. If you would like to add a live radio feed to your Webmix, you can do that too. And don't forget that you can resize these tiles to any size you'd like. One final way to build out your Webmix is with widgets. These tools can be used to add useful functionality to your Webmix, like different types of search, a task list, or even weather updates. You can browse through all of our Symbaloo widgets in the sidebar here. With these expansive features, it has become easier than ever to create the perfect homepage on Symbaloo. Try it all out for yourself at symbaloo.com.